Addressing newsmen at the office of the Committee of the Defense of Human Rights, President of the group, Dr. Keinde Taiga, lamented the hardship customers are subjected to due to the rift between the National Electricity Commission and BPE against Benin Electricity Distribution Company is not acceptable. He claimed that the legitimate management to run the affairs of BEDC is the one headed by Mrs. Funke Oshibodun and not Dr. Henry Ajabowu, which he said is not backed by law. Prince Taiga pointed out that the development is having a negative effect on electricity customers and appeals to BPE and NERC to obey court order and allow the management of BEDC to continue their operations based on court order.
Court have not ruled, and when court has not ruled, who is claiming to be the authenticity of the management cannot assume office until the determination of the court. That is to say that Mrs. Funke remain the authentic director.
National President of Committee of Defense of Human Rights, Dr. Taiga, said, when two elephants fight, it is grass that suffer.
These two big wins are not the ones suffering it. It is the masses that are suffering it. Now we can no longer use light the way we usually use it. We can no longer feel comfortable with the light, what we are paying for. Because the Harry is claiming to be the managing director, while Funke, who the existent managing director, is still also saying that the board has not been dissolved.
Because that, the Federal High Court in Abuja, presided over by Justice Emeka Nwita on 8 July 2022, in a judgment that NERC and BPE should maintain the status quo and granted an interim injunction to Mrs. Funke Oshibodun to continue to run the affairs of BEDC pending determinations of the motion on notice. From Warri, Gbenga Ahmed reporting.